Hello. We are anonymous. The purpose of this video is to raise support for our new operation. Facebook is a medium in which sex offenders and child abusers are connecting and collectively sharing and distributing child pornography. Children are not sex objects, nor should they be subject to any abuse on any level. Children have the right to protection from abuse, neglect, exploitation and discrimination. They have the right to an adequate standard of living. How can we allow pedophiles to operate on Facebook when it clearly bad intentions to break the rights every child has? For months now, we have been tracking, hunting, and removing these predators from Facebook, as Facebook does not have a good enough report system to do so themselves. Why should it be left to us to protect these rights when Facebook has the power to take action? We demand Facebook gives us a report child abuse button that gets moderated and reviewed instantly. We demand Facebook tightens up, allowing people to return to Facebook once their account has been terminated. We have requested this time and time again, and Facebook has not listened. Brothers, sisters, and communities of the world, I am coming to you as equals and asking for your help in participating in an operation to remove these filth from Facebook. If you come across any vile pages or profiles or images, please report them immediately and send the link to one of our many anonymous Facebook network groups. We encourage you to sock bait and lure these sexual predators via fake accounts, and we can provide phone numbers and email addresses to verify your accounts. We must do everything in our power together to remove them. I wish for a world in which our children are safe, and this is just the start. Operation Cleanup begin. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us, for you were warned. Join the cause and movement to finally get rid of these beasts. Spread the word. Operation Cleanup is a go.